delicious. I've never tried it either. So for root beer pie, we need 8 ounces of whipping cream, 12 ounces of root beer, a fourth a cup of milk, 1 vanilla box of pudding, and 1 graham cracker pie crust. Here it is. So let me go get the ingredients.
So that sounds real simple. Has anybody ever had root beer
It still
pie?
says you're recording.
No, never.
Oh,
Oh, good. So we're gonna post it on the Google Classroom.
I recorded the broccoli beef, and then now I'm recording this one.
So does anybody remember what we needed to put in there?
baking pie? No, I think Yvette do like pie, but Yvette love dessert.
No,
Well,
what
Yvette
were some of the ingredients she said?
Hey Alexa, show me root beer pie. Hey Alexa, show me no. Alexa, show me root beer pie. Okay.
That's
Heavy whipping cream,
Cream,
milk,
and sugar.
cherries.
I added that. That's my own stuff. Okay, so how we're going to do this is we're in one bowl. We're going to put the cream, and then we're going to mix it. This is 8 ounces because I used 8 ounces yesterday, and this is 16 ounces.
Okay.
And this is not sweet guys, at all.
Did you try it, Marge?
It's not sweet. It's like very dull. So we're going to blend. Here we go. Until it gets thick. Takes a little bit. Flying everywhere. Should have got a deeper bowl. Getting thicker. It's got to come to a peak. So it's getting thicker now. See that? It was almost up to here, remember? The fluid. Look how much it is now. I'm putting air in it. That's what's happening right now. We're building air. I want to show you. You see that? It's moving. So it's not ready yet. So we got to keep going. We're getting closer.
white.
All right. So, look, you see it?
Oh, yeah. It's thick like whipping cream.
See that?
Yeah.
Yep. So we got that. Now we got to add the other ingredients, which is 1 package of vanilla jello pudding. That's trimmed. We're going to throw it in there. A 1/4 cup of milk.
I don't like Jello. Jello's disgusting. I never like
It's
Jello.
pudding though. It's not Jello.
I know. I'm just saying. I don't like Jello.
Me either. Barley will be float with ice cream.
There. And I use regular milk. My kitchen's a mess.
Your kitchen's cute.
12 ounces of soda pop. That's 1 full cup. See how there's ounces here? Oh, somewhere. Right there, ounces. 8 ounces. So we're going to do 8 and then 4.
Margie, your kitchen's cute. It's
Thank
small.
you.
You're welcome.
It is very small. It's small. I have a small house.
But
I'm
it's
not
cute.
fortunate,
It's cute.
but I love my house.
I think events, but I've never been quite happy for me in my life. So
4 ounces.
Yvette, he has never been to your house before. I think that he's waiting for an invitation.
Nope.
All right, now we're going to stir it.
That's not mine, Isaiah.
Are you stirring it with the whipping cream or no?
No, not yet. Right now, all I'm going to do is try to incorporate the pudding with the milk. So look at it.
Okay.
And it tastes delicious, you guys. So the pudding is what's making it become thick. So now we're going to add that into this. We're going to fold it in. I'm going to put it all in at one time.
Margie.
All right. So I'm not stirring it. I'm just tossing it like up and down and around, up and around, up and around.
Oh my gosh. You're making me think of the thing that SpongeBob says.
You guys, I want you to know this stuff tastes amazing. Originally, I thought, what is that?
Bring it
No,
around.
I know. Marcy, you're the best cook, Marcy.
It's happening, guys. I'm telling you.
You're the best cook. I'll
Did
pay for
everybody
you.
like it?
I didn't make you
I
mad.
haven't had it yet,
Not so.
but
Why?
my husband will eat it today.
Make him proud. Make him proud. Make him proud.
You know how you're doing it like that?
All right, it's all incorporated.
Oh yeah. Oh, we're almost going over time.
That's all right. We're going to go over a little bit today.
What time is it?
11:27. So we got plenty of time.
The pie crust, listen, the pie crust, you guys, has a lid on it.
The pie crust has a lid?
Oh, that thing that protects it is also a lid.
Yes.
All for 99 cents.
Yes. Yes. Or $2
No way,
more.
Jose. I ain't not buy those at all. Only buy these.
That's what I'm
Only buy
making today.
these,
I'm
too.
actually gonna make a caramel pecan pie today.
Oh, that sounds
What's that?
good.
What is that?
Pecan pie. It's pecans, but it's caramel pecan pie.
Oh, okay. I thought it was
It's a
something else.
pie.
I can make a pumpkin pie. Campaign pie.
I want to make that
guys.
fruit pie. It's
I
easy.
can make a pineapple pie or
Whatever
kiwi
you guys
pie.
do not try the potato pie. It's disgusting.
Oh
I
no!
like potato
I never tried
pies.
potato pie. Make me throw up.
Listen up. This is going to go in there.
Splat, splat, splat.
Look at you, baby. He's so quiet. That's like a 10 team tease. Look at Ansel. Like, Go take it, Yvette. Go take it.
Wasted.
Don't lick your finger, Marge.
I'm not.
You're gonna have to wash your hands all over again.
I want to lick my finger.
But you can't. Resist it, Margie. Resist.
Seriously. It's hard to do that when you cook.
It is.
Right. So here it is. Right. Now look.
Or if
And
you
you
want
licked it. I know you licked it. That's why Kathy
That
laughed.
is bomb.
or if you want something sweet, it's hard to resist too.
Seriously. No,
What are
like
you putting on it?
chocolate is so hard to
Cherries.
freaking
Just
resist.
for appearance, I got one cherry. And I put it right there on top.
Because you know we had a bunch at our school.
Let me show you what it looks like made.
You have to refrigerate it?
Yeah, you do.
How long did you
Overnight.
refrigerate it for?
Or you can freeze it for 4 hours. But I refrigerated it. That is your end result.
Ooh, are you gonna cut a piece?
That's pretty.
See it?
That looks nice. Are you gonna cut a piece?
That's
I won't eat it. There's no point.
All right.
Yeah, my husband will though. My husband will eat it.
Hey, when you
All right,
cut a
guys.
piece, March, when you cut a piece of it, can you take a picture and send it to me and I'll post it on our Google Classroom?
Oh, well, I can cut a piece if you want me to just cut a piece, but not like to eat it.
If I was there, I would have ate the piece for you, Margie.
I'm doing for you, Marcy. You might number one cook.
I'm going in with the fork now. Or the knife.
That's funny.
All right, let's hope it comes out. Because the first piece is always the hardest.
It
Oh yeah,
is.
because it falls apart.
Yeah.
That's okay, it's still edible.
Oh yeah, totally.
Edibles. I want some edibles. I can't say
Oh,
it.
that's a cute plate.
It's
There it
Yay,
is.
team out victory!
let's see.
It didn't
Let's
fall
put a cherry
apart.
on it.
Oh, it kind of fell apart.
I can't even see it.
Hold on. I'm going to take you.
Better lighting. It needs better lighting.
There it is.
Where?
All I can see is the fan.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh,
That looks
she is
good.
eating
Oh,
it.
now she's gonna take a
Okay.
bite. How does it
Margie!
taste?
Wait.
It
It's
tastes
good.
good.
No bueno?